Using your inventory from the previous week, find several dry food items that are ready to eat to use to make your own mix or dry recipe. Here are my ingredients. I picked pumpkin seeds, raisins, cashews, and chocolate chips. Now I'm going to take my ingredients and mix them together. And I'm also going to note how much I'm using of each one and writing it down for my recipe later on. Now I'm going to write my title of my recipe and the ingredients and how much I used of each ingredient inside of my journal. Now I'm making a drawing of my mix. What kind of shapes are inside of there? Different colors, different textures? Draw it as best as you can. And finally, I'm writing a description of what my recipe tastes like. Does it need to be changed? Is it too sweet? Is it too crunchy? Is it crunchy? Is it sweet? What are the textures in there? Just describe it. And that's it. You should have a title, a recipe, a drawing, and your response. Send that in to us, okay? Goodbye.